Hello. So if you have submitted an expression of interest for Alberta PNP and now want to make any kind of change to your expression of interest, the only way of doing it is to cancel and create a new expression of interest. There is no way to update the existing expression of interest. So we can see, if I go and check my existing expression of interest, it shows me the score, right? And then if I open my expression of interest, there is no way I can update. So if I open it, you see this is the expression of interest that I had submitted, and I see no option to update the expression of interest. Any kind of updates will not work, right? Okay, so now what is the option? So the only option is to cancel this expression of interest. So in this video, I'll show you how to cancel this expression of interest. If you want to save this information for your next application, you can always save this page. Go to save as and then download as a PDF. So you can always save this page as a PDF. Once you have saved your expression of interest, open the expression of interest and then go to the end of this particular application. Just go to the absolute end of the application, and here you will see a cancel button. So just click on this cancel button. It will ask you for a confirmation and you can cancel this expression of interest. Once you say okay, this expression of interest will be cancelled. Do note that once cancelled, you cannot reinstate the expression of interest. You will have to submit a new expression of interest. Okay, so this is how you cancel your expression of interest. Once you have cancelled your expression of interest, go back and create a new expression of interest. So this is what you will do next. Okay, and this part I have already covered in one of my videos, so I hope you will get an idea from that particular video. So thank you for joining, and if you have any questions on the cancellation of expression of interest, do reach out to me and I will see what I can help you. Thank you so much and have a very nice day.